Presenting the Bajaj Frore ceiling fan. This 1200mm ceiling fan runs with high torque motor which consumes 56 watt of power and air delivery at 205 cmm. The ceiling fan is available in brown color and also in bianco and white. The ribbed blades help to improve the blade stability. The double ball bearing increases load bearing capacity and durability. The product has a dimension of 54 by 3.2 by 14.2 cm and weighs around 4.5 kilograms. The box includes ceiling fan. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Visit the product detail page.